This is lesson 2 on Pi mini course to go from idea to finished cinematic story or animation. If you have not checked lesson 1, click the link below to go to lesson 1 and this will be lesson 2. Remember, you can use the link below to get 2,000 credits for free to test UTOPAI for yourself. In this video, we will talk about the storyboard pipeline and how if you already have a script, you can drop it in there and convert it into a storyboard, or you can just have a vague idea and then Pi will do an out-of-scene extraction for you. It can do up to 16 shots for around 1 minute, sometimes a little bit more than a minute. And so let's get started. Once we have our characters, you can click in the chat, generate storyboard. And now I can start visualizing. And now it is done with all the panels. I think this looks really cool. So I'm gonna click on keyframe 1, and then I can start visualizing by clicking on the next. And then we're gonna see this, like training in the woods. Yeah, all of this looks really, really cool. This one is a little bit scary, but all in all, I think it looks pretty nice. Now, something just happened. There's a new version of Pi available, so I'm gonna click here to reload it, just so I can get an updated version of this. Right now, there's high demand in video generation, so it's gonna take like 20 to 30 minutes. Oh, it disappeared, so maybe it's not gonna take that long. But now, I am ready. Let's do this, and then the storyboard keyframes for all 13 shots have been generated. Are you happy with the keyframes, or you would like to edit any of them? Just like I edited the character, I can edit some keyframe. So let's go through some of them and see if I want to adjust any of them. I'm gonna change keyframe 11. Instead of having her standing there, how about she is in lotus position with eyes closed, meditating? So I'm gonna do that. How can I pick this one? I just say adjust keyframe 11. And my prompt is, instead of having Siri standing, have her in lotus position with eyes closed, meditating. Keep her out of focus. So I'm going to click send, and I can see that some of the panels are being adjusted thanks to the new update on UTOPAI that just happened. So that is pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna let this think, and it is now done. Look, now I can select, originally it had the character standing, but now I can select which one of these I like the best. In this, she looks way too big. This one feels like the perspective is better. So I can say none of them work, or I can select one of them. I'm gonna select this one, and with this, I'm going to click send. Now something happened because keyframe 11 is weird. That sometimes happens. All I do is mention that there's an error. So I'm gonna click send, and you can see now this was corrected. There was just a little error in there, but now it's corrected. Also, with the new version, I like this jump. The previous one was not as cool. This one looks really cool. So I like this montage. Now, once you have all the panels and you approve them, you can just click on generate video clips. But that will be covered in the next lesson, where we will talk about the editor and regenerator. Click here to go to lesson 3 or the link below. See you in the next lesson.